There are two approaches that you can take to holding a difficult conversation. And the first one is empathy. That's where you sit down, it's a softer approach, and you say, I'm concerned with what's going on. I'm concerned for you. Please help me understand what's going on. I don't know what's going to happen if things don't change. It's a softer approach. It's an empathetic approach. The second one is anger or frustration. This behavior will no longer be tolerated. You're kind of laying out the riot act. Sometimes you're making some assumptions there of what's going on. But both approaches are valid. It really just depends on the situation, which one you should choose. Usually, you begin with number one and you move on to number two. But again, it depends on the situation. Sometimes number two is warranted. Whenever you're talking to a team member, so much depends on how you frame that conversation, how you present it. So when a person believes that you care, they'll be more open to hearing your concerns. And in fact, if they believe that you don't care, they will be very resistant to hearing your concerns or to changing, because they'll just say, or they'll just think, that person just hates me. That's why they're saying this. So they need to know that you care. So begin by telling them that you care about them and that you want to help them win in their role. Whenever I have a difficult conversation, I always begin by saying, I want you to know I'm here for one reason, and that's to help you win. If you lose, it's a loss for me too. So I really do care. I want you to win in this role. Tell them that you feel concerned about some issues that you see as roadblocks to their success. And I've said that many times too. Just that whether you stay here or you go to a different place, this is always going to be a roadblock for you. And I want to help you get past it because I care. I want to see you win in this role. Even if it's a hard message, it's because I care and want to see you win. Be conscious of your body language. Here's the first thing. Leave the phone alone. Probably one of the biggest points of distraction we have is looking at texts, glancing at them. If you have a watch, a smart watch, don't look at your watch. Take it off if you think it's going to be a distraction, because you want to give this person your undivided attention. So lean forward, nod, and smile. Listen carefully to understand fully. Many times when we're in conversations, we're listening, but really we're just forming a response to what we're going to say to whatever they're saying. We're not really listening. So let them know that you're fully listening so that you can fully understand. Ask clarifying questions and summarize so that they know that you're getting what they're saying. Make encouraging remarks like, I see. That's interesting. Tell me more. Please elaborate. Get them to open up. Take a minute now to read through the next two slides on your own.